Welcome to the Device Authority Secure Connected Smart Factory demo. This demo will show you how data generated on a factory floor can be encrypted and sent through an MQTT service to a ThingWorx instance, all without modifying your existing factory applications. Let me first give you an overview of what you'll see in this demo. Sensors on a factory floor transmit data to a Cisco gateway. On the gateway is a Device Authority agent who listens for traffic from the factory. When the gateway receives a data payload, the gateway authenticates itself using Device Authority. We generate device-derived crypto keys and use them to encrypt portions of the JSON structured dataset according to the defined policies. The JSON dataset containing the ciphertext is passed to an MQTT broker running in a third-party cloud service and published to ThingWorx. ThingWorx, which is subscribed to the broker, receives the encrypted data and using the Device Authority service decrypts the data in a mashup. To begin the demo, I'll move to my Cisco gateway and start the Device Authority agent. I'll use the tail command to monitor the output log file. You see here the agent is listening on port 5000. Next, I'll generate my message with the data coming from the factory floor. Here's the message shown in pretty print and in message format. On my local factory floor, I'll use the open source program Mosquito, which is an MQTT client, to send the data message to the IP address of my gateway. You can see I'm using port 5000, which the gateway is listening on, using the topic which the MQTT broker is subscribed to. And you can see the message data, which is simulating the data generated from the factory. Moving back to the gateway, our agent log file shows an existing policy was found for our topic, and it is performing selective encryption on 6 data parts, which are the values we have deemed sensitive within the JSON payload. Once finished, that client is disconnected and the gateway passes the message with its encrypted data onto the MQTT broker. By moving to our third-party MQTT broker, we can see what the transmitted data looks like. Some items are still in clear text, but other items are encrypted as defined by the policy. When the MQTT broker receives the data, it then publishes the payload for ThingWorx as a subscriber. I'll bring up my ThingWorx mashup and refresh the screen. You'll see the data has been received by ThingWorx and it is encrypted. Once the data is loaded, the Device Authority extension process is called to decrypt the data and the clear text values are populated on the screen. What you've seen is end-to-end encryption between a connected factory and the ThingWorx instance, all without making any changes to your existing applications that are deployed on the gateway. All I had to do was start the Device Authority agent service running on the Cisco gateway. We're able to apply policies to encrypt the data and send that data via third-party cloud MQTT service through to ThingWorx. Then ThingWorx calls our extension to decrypt the data. The end result is your data is sent securely and stored within ThingWorx in a secure fashion. We're Device Authority, IoT security simplified.